Hey Siri, can you write the code for me?
Okay, I found this on the web for. Can you write the code for me? Check it out.
Siri cannot code yet, I guess. But there is something that is going to change the way you code and develop. That's vibe coding. Salesforce just launched an enterprise grade version of it, Agentforce Vibes, where you can just chat with AI and build a Salesforce app without writing a single line of code. And I'm here to tell you everything about it. Hello everyone, I'm Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. If you're a developer, then you would know that the world is changing at light speed for you. It all started with Alan Turing and his research on AI in the 1950s. And in just 5 decades, we have reached the point where you can simply talk to your IDE in plain simple English and watch real code appear on your screen in seconds. All thanks to vibe coding. So what exactly is vibe coding? Well, it's the idea of creating software using natural language prompts instead of lines of syntax. You describe what you want, and the AI writes the code for you. The phrase was coined by Andrej Karpathy in February 2025. Pardon for the pronunciation. And it quickly became the shorthand for this new prompt first coding style. It can be used for something as easy as generating an Apex class and something complex like integrating with your DevOps practices. Now, the real question is, why is Salesforce investing so heavily in vibe coding and what is this Agentforce Vibes? Well, in the latest 10K report, Salesforce called Agentforce the agentic layer that powers their autonomous AI agents across multiple business functions. They reported $37.9 billion in revenue and pointed to AI and Agentforce as core growth drivers. And we know that developers are already leaning on AI tools across all industries. In fact, the State of IT report by Salesforce says that 92% of developers believe AI agents will boost their careers and 96% expect these agents to transform the developer experience. Let me tell you how it makes all the difference in your day-to-day life. In traditional coding, you start with a blank file, import packages, write Apex, debug errors, and deploy manually. But in Agentforce Vibes, you start with a prompt. You can install it directly in your VS Code or a cloud editor and chat with the AI agent Vibe Codey. You describe your intent in detail and instantly the AI builds everything. Objects, fields, flows, Apex logic, and templates all following your org's naming conventions and security rules. For developers, this completely changes the game, or pretty much transforms the game. Let's quickly talk about what it can do for you. Agentforce Vibes combines the entire Salesforce application lifecycle into a conversational interface. Here is Vibe Codey, who can already understand your org's schema and metadata and generate new Apex classes, triggers, Lightning Web Components, Visualforce pages, or flow configurations. You can attach URLs, files, folders, etc. to fetch content and give it context before you start. It also has a Git commit feature to create a project, clone a repository, create a branch, etc. Agentforce Vibes works inside any VS Code compatible IDE, including Salesforce Code Builder, MuleSoft Code Builder, Cursor, or Windsurf. Under the hood, it uses multiple AI models such as Salesforce's XGen and GPT-5. And that is not all. It supports the Model Context Protocol for deep integration with 20 plus tools. It also works seamlessly with Salesforce sandboxes, DevOps Center, Code Analyzer, and more so that you don't have to leave your IDE to manage source control or deployments. And the best part is that everything runs under Salesforce's trust layer. So the AI only touches what it's allowed to. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's try it out and see how much of it is actually true. I'll add a prompt, create a new class named according to the account method. Just type the entire prompt in the chat and hit enter. And now we wait for a while and see it is creating a class. The metadata is also created and there you have it. The helper class, just like I asked. That was a glimpse of Agentforce Vibes in action. If you know the basics of coding and development, then you can use it every day and execute your tasks much faster. I'm also heading to Dreamforce soon to learn more about it. So you can join my private LinkedIn group for all things AI and Agentforce. Find the link for that in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.